Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. So finally, after a long time, Cursor has published huge update to their AI code editor, and here you see this is the official update. Cursor 1.0 is out now. Cursor can now review your code, remember its mistakes, and work on dozens of tasks in the background. So basically, they have published huge updates. There are 7 major updates. You see, first one is automatic code review with BugBot. This is very important. I will show you the step-by-step process how to do the setup. And this one is background agent for everyone. So basically you can give any task to this agent and it will do all of that things in the background, and when it will be done you will get the notification. Okay. Next one is agent in Jupyter Notebooks. So basically it will support the Jupyter Notebook that format. So in Jupyter Notebook actually there are some blocks of code you can write. So if you want to import that Jupyter Notebook file, that .ipynb file, then you can actually edit that file also, or you can actually modify that file contents also. And next one is this memories. So now the memories have a more powerful effect. I will show you. And another one is this MCP one click install. So basically Cursor has published one MCP tools directory. Here you see, if you click on this add to cursor, it will be added to the cursor automatically. But before this MCP tools, there was a manual procedure of copy pasting the MCP server code, right? But now it is not required. You can actually choose any of the MCP server from here. Just click on this add to cursor, right? Like here you see that there is a Figma. Click on this add Figma to cursor and it will be automatically added to the cursor. It is one of the good update. Next one is this recharge chat responses. Now this recharge chat responses is basically when you are building any website or any app, you need a proper diagram, right? What is happening, right? The complete flow is required. So you can generate that complete flow from the code bases. Suppose you are working on any new code base, you don't know that what is happening in that code base, you need the proper flow, right? In that case you just tell this cursor that I have this code base, please generate the Mermaid diagram, or please generate the flow diagram from it. So it will automatically generate that. I will show you this video. Okay. And another one is this new settings and dashboard. It is basically, if you go to this cursor and here you see it is the new UI. You will see on the left hand side there is a general, chat, and tab, models, rules, and MCP tools, network, and beta. All of these options are organized properly. Okay. So now let's start with this BugBot features of this cursor. This is a very important feature that they have published. So for that, basically you have to log in your cursor account. This is the cursor.com website where you have to log in. Okay, and after login, go to your account, and on the left hand side you will find this integrations menu. Okay, so click on it, and after that you will find this BugBot. So what they have written, it will automatically review pull requests for bug and issues. Try BugBot for free in this early access preview. So you will be able to use it for free. Now, basically, if I tell you in simple way that suppose in your project there are lots of pull requests are there, okay, and if you want to merge any pull request, in that case, if there is any bugs, okay, it will this BugBot will automatically resolve or automatically find that issue, and it will inform you that I have found this issue, what you want to do. And there is an option to fix it by cursor. Here you see you will find this kind of option that fix in cursor, and it is basically same as the Jules by Google, or this Codex CLI or Open Codex by OpenAI, and it is same as the coding agent by GitHub Copilot. It is same, right? And here you see, let me show you how to do it. So after login you will find this BugBot under this integration menu, and below it you will find this connect GitHub option. So click on this connect GitHub, and after that it will ask for the authorization, and when it is done you will find this message that cursor.com was updated for this account. Okay, now for every pull request, if there is any issue, it will help you to fix that. So basically it is this kind of interface that cursor will tell you that after this pull request there is a bug that I have found. If you want to fix it with cursor, then just click on this fix in cursor and it will solve all of that things. Okay, so this is the things that I wanted to share with you, and this was the first update. And second update is this background agent for everyone. So for that, let me show you one interesting thing. Here you see that you can now talk with Slack to cursor integration, and it is the background agent that you can write in Slack that at that cursor make settings searchable on name and description, and search input field on the top of settings menu in the sidebar. If you write this, and this Slack will be connected with the cursor, and cursor will understand this query and it will implement all of that things. Okay, so in this way you can connect a third party apps with the cursor, and you can do these tasks in the background. Okay, and the next thing is this agent in Jupyter Notebooks. So basically here you see, if you write in this way that create an analysis of the request latency in this file .ipy nb. Okay, this file, and here you see that this agent can create and edit multiple cells, making it much more useful for research and data science workflow. So basically you can prepare a .ipynb file, and later you can import that file in the Jupyter Notebook, and this is actually a good update. Next one is this memories. What is this memories? Let me show you. So if you go to this cursor, and here you see that there is a rules option on the left hand side in the settings. Okay, and there is one is user rules. Okay, and here you can manually add the rules, but if you don't want to add the rules manually, in that case what you can do, let's say I have this rule that when writing the readme file, don't use the long dashes. Okay, and if I write here, and if you press enter, then it will be automatically added under this rule section here. So let me show you one simple demo. Here you see that when starting the development server, do not restart them as they are hot reloading. It is the memories that you are telling this cursor that please remember this, and here you see that okay, I will remember that servers have hot reloaded all of these things. Okay, and also it will be added on the left hand side this under this memories here. Okay, so this is the memories update, and next update is you see MCP one click install and OAuth support. So for that you have to go to this MCP tools this website. This is the link docs.cursor.com/tools, and here if you want to let's say you want to add this Figma to cursor, so click on this and it will ask you for the open cursor, and after that you will see that Figma will be added, and it is now asking me that install this Figma. Yes, click on this install, and here you see Figma got added. It is so simple, you don't have to manually copy paste the MCP code and to add this MCP server. And also there is an option to add a new MCP server if you don't find that in this list. So for that, just manually same procedure here, in this way you can add it. Okay, now the next update that they have published. Now what is this Richard chat response? Here you see cursor can now display visualization directly in conversation. You can generate and view Mermaid diagram in the markdown table in one place. So what is that? Let me show you. And if I scroll down, here you see visualize in a diagram the entire flow of the source code, and here you see from the source code that you have in your current workspace, it will generate the comprehensive diagram showing the entire flow of the code base, like what is happening from which component it is going to which component. It will create that Mermaid diagram flow. And it will be very helpful if you are working with any unknown project, or if you are new to that project. And obviously this is a new dashboard that I have already shown you. So this was the update that I wanted to share with you. And so I hope these updates were helpful for you guys, and don't forget to try this on your own and let me know if you face any problem in the comment section. And you can watch the other videos also that I have already published, like this UR AI plus Figma MCP. It is very helpful if you want to convert any Figma design into a working good looking website, and you don't have to manually do the coding, right? You just focused on the business logic, and this UR AI will do the things automatically for you. And it will generate exact same things like that Figma design. Okay, so if you found helpful, please like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.